Man, can you believe summer's almost over? Feels like it just started.
Right? It's crazy how fast time flies. I feel like we barely got to do anything this year.
We've been pretty chill, I guess. Surfing, hanging out, the usual. But I kinda wish we'd done something epic.
Like what? Rob a bank?
No, not that extreme. More like a road trip or something. You know, explore new places.
Yeah, that would be sick. Maybe next summer. We could rent a van and just drive.
Definitely. We could hit up some national parks, camp out. You know, the whole deal.
But for now, let's just enjoy these last few days of sun. I'm thinking about learning to play guitar.
Guitar? You? That's a surprise.
Hey, a guy can dream, right?
This is the life, man.
Can't argue with that.
Jake, honey, how are you? That lawn is looking mighty fine.
Thanks, Mrs. Thompson. Just trying to keep it under control.
Well, you're doing a great job. So, how was your summer? Did you get to do much with all that free time?
It was pretty good. I spent a lot of time at the beach surfing and hanging out with friends.
Oh, that sounds lovely. You know, when I was your age, I used to spend my summers at the lake.
Really? That sounds nice too.
It was. We'd go swimming, fishing, and have bonfires at night. Good times.
Sounds like fun. I wish I could have experienced that.
Well, maybe next summer you can plan a little lake getaway.
Yeah, maybe I will.
Well, I'll let you get back to your yard work. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too, Mrs. Thompson. Thanks for chatting.